All right, so Glock 40, 10 millimeter. We got some steel plates down there at 100 yards. So we got 15 shots. Let's see if we can hit them. Hey.
Holy shit.
I have no idea where to hold on this either.
Whatever you did that time. Holy fucking shit, dude.
Oh, it's just over it. Hey. Let's go for a smaller one.
This man is 3 out of 4 on a fucking 12-inch plate at 100 with a handgun.
I'm aiming for the smaller one, see if I can hit one, at least one.
Oh my fucking god.
Woo! Wow. It's smacking them pretty good too.
Dude, honestly, I'm just in awe. I didn't think you were going to be able to do it.
I mean, I do have a red dot, but...
Okay, still.
I'm shooting just over it. Hey. Nice.
That's just fucking nasty, dude.
Awesome.
This man is the autistic assassin.
Cool. Okay, we got Glock 40, 10 millimeter. We're having a steel plate out here at 25 yards. We're gonna put 15 rounds on, see how it does. That's it.
Cool.
All right, we're gonna take this at 100 yard steel plate just like last time. My arms are probably gonna get really fucking tired.
Yeah. Probably.
Woo! That's spicy. Get close.
Damn, bro, you gotta hit it like last time.
I'm trying.
You know, I didn't hear anything, but the plate did move on that one. I think you might have nicked the chain or something.
There we go. My arms are getting tired already.
Dude, my arm's getting tired and I'm just holding the camera.
This is a big gun.
Let's take a look at this fucking thing really quick. Let's show people the long boy. Long on both fucking ends.
Good old 10 mil boomerang. I totally jerked that one. Am I shooting over it?
You're dancing all around it, but you're really close.
Hey, there we go. Yeah, okay. So I was holding over it. So let's keep doing that. I'm just getting tired, man. There we go. You know, with pistol red dots, you can really see just how much you're shaking. I'm shaking like fucking leaf in a tornado.
Yeah, you jerked the fuck out of that one.
Man.
Just fuck up the 25er. Make life easy.
No, I'm gonna go for 100. No quitting. Yeah, I totally pulled that. Man.
You didn't pull it much, you were close.
How much I got left? 6, 7? Oh man, I am not doing well.
Well, I mean, the first time around you were pretty fresh, and we've been out here for a few hours now.
Yeah.
So, you're probably just tired.
3, 4.
Ooh, that one hit my neck.
All right, Glock 40 10mm. My last 10 rounds. We're gonna do a one-handed, left-handed 25 against steel plate. Let's go.
Feel better about yourself?
I do.
Good.